Students, now we are going to see in AP some of the terms AP we are going to prove S3 equal to 3 into S2 minus S1. If S1, S2, S3 are some of the terms in AP, then prove S3 equal to 3 into S2 minus S1. First, what is the sum of the terms in AP formula? Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is your formula in AP's finding sum of the terms Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now for n we are going to substitute 1 2 3 n. So you'll get the proof. First you'll find out S1. S1 is 1n and only. So 1n. So 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S2 means 2n it is. So 2n by 2, 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d. Remember S1 means 1n, S2 means 2n, S3 means 3n. 3n by 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. Remember how to write the formula first. Okay. Now what we have to prove? S3 equal to 3 into S2 minus S1. So first we are going to take right side, then we have to prove S3. That is, we have to prove S3. This answer you have to get it if you take right side. So I am taking RHS, I am proving LHS. RHS is 3 into S2 minus S1. Okay, equal to 3 into, what is S2? S2 is 2n by 2, 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d minus, what is S1? S1 is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, I just substituted for S2 and S1 what I found and kept here. Now the next step, 3 into, don't cancel it, take this 2 inside. N by 2 keep it outside because here also only n by 2, so we can take it common outside later. So only this 1 2 you take it inside and multiply. So what you are getting if you multiply by 2? 4a plus 2 into 2n minus 1 into d. Only for this bracket this 2. Here whatever is there, just write it as it is, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now this will multiply. So in the next step, 3 into 4a plus, take this 2 inside and d also inside. What you are getting? 2d you are multiplying with this bracket. So what you are getting now? 4nd minus 2d. 2 2s are 4. You are multiplying with 2d. 2 and d is here. So 2d you are multiplying inside. So 2n into 2d what will get? 4nd minus again 2d. 1 into 2d, 2d. Okay. This is your first bracket. Minus n by 2 is already outside here. That I didn't do anything. Only 2 I took it inside. So n by 2 is remaining there only. Minus n by 2 2a plus, remove the bracket, multiply with d, remove the bracket, nd minus d. Okay. Now n by 2 both common. So we'll take it outside. What you are getting? 3n by 2. Take it here also n by 2, here also n by 2. Take it outside. So 3n by 2. 4a plus 4nd minus 2d. Remove the bracket. So multiply with minus sign and remove the n by 2 already taken inside, outside. So only this bracket remove, multiply with minus sign and remove it. So always you remember bracket outside minus means inside sign will change. Plus will be minus, minus will be plus. So you are getting minus 2a minus nd plus d. Okay. This is equal to 3n by 2. 4a minus 2a is 2a. 4nd minus nd is 3nd. What is remaining here? Minus 2d plus d is minus d. So same like terms here, subtracting or adding whatever is applicable we are doing. So this can be written as 2a plus d is common for these two terms. Take it out. So 3n minus 1 into d we are getting. Okay. Now what is your S3? 3n by 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. Okay, go through the steps slowly and see what you got. 3n by 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. So what you got now? S3, which is here LHS. So hence proved. Here RHS is equal to, taken S1, S2, S3 and taken RHS 3 into S2 minus X1, S1 substituting for S2, S1 and only 2 I am taking inside, multiplying, removing bracket, multiplying, n by 2 I am keeping outside only. See here 2 only I am taking, so n by 2 outside only. That I didn't write actually, sorry. N by 2 I am keeping it outside only. 2 I am taking inside and multiplying. So n by 2 outside, you are getting inside. Here also n by 2, here just I am multiplying with bracket, you are getting the step. N by 2 common taken out and removing bracket, simplify, you are getting. So what you are getting? S3 is equal to 3 into S2 minus S1. This is only you proved now. Thank you for watching, children.